energy demand,
nuclear energy,
such energy.
Energy is a problem. And honestly, most of us don't even realize how much of it we're wasting at home. Let me show you what I mean. This is Singapore, a small island nation that 5.9 million people call home. As you can probably guess, energy here is a limited resource and something we all have to share. Now get this, households alone use 15% of the country's total energy. And a surprising chunk of it goes to waste, usually without us ever even thinking about it. Take a typical 5-room flat for an example. Ever left your fan or air conditioner running in an empty room? Or left chargers and devices plugged in all day? Yeah, same. Those small things, they add up to about 10% of your annual energy use. And air conditioners, they're probably the biggest culprit of them all, using up to 1/3 of your household's energy all on their own. It may not seem like much, but these little habits make a big difference. Hi, I'm Braven, part of the team here at MR Labs. And over the past few months, we've been working hard to find solutions to these energy problems that we all face at home. And that's why I'm excited to introduce you to the MR Smart Home System, a set of smart sensors and controllers that run passively in the background, tracking your energy use and helping you cut down on energy waste. And to tell you more about how our system monitors energy use in real time, I'll hand it over to Yong-Ray.
Hi, I'm Yong-Ray, the team leader at MR Labs. Today, I would like to introduce to you the MR Smart Home System, which includes our 5 distinct nodes, each controlled via a centralized web page. First, we have the climate node, which consists of a controller and environmental sensors to measure the room's temperature and humidity. It also has a motion sensor to detect human presence. If the room's temperature exceeds 30 degrees Celsius, the fans will automatically turn on to cool the room. Similarly, if the humidity surpasses 80%, the dehumidifier activates. If no one is detected in the room for more than 10 minutes, both the devices will be turned off to save energy. Additionally, this node features a buzzer that plays alarms and chimes sent from the other nodes. The second node is the light node, which controls the room's lighting via a controller and relays. It also receives information from the climate node regarding human presence. And if no one is detected for a certain time, the lights will automatically turn off. With that, I'll hand it over to Zheng Xian to explain to you how MR keeps your kitchen safe.
Hello, I'm Zheng Xian, a fellow team member at MR Labs. Let me walk you through the functions of the kitchen node. This node serves 2 main functions. It monitors the fridge's energy usage, displaying this information on both an OLED screen and the web app. High energy consumption may indicate faulty components in the fridge that require maintenance. Second, the kitchen node is equipped with a flame sensor to detect fires. If a fire is detected, an alarm will sound through all the nodes, alerting the user. The web app will be updated with this information in real time. The kitchen node also features a buzzer to play alarms and chimes from other nodes. Now, let's have Joycelyn explain more about our bathroom node.
Hi, I'm Joycelyn, also a team member at MR Labs. Let me introduce you to the bathroom node, which plays an important role in energy conservation. The bathroom node is equipped with a PIR sensor to detect the presence of people, and it helps manage your shower time to ensure no extra energy is used to heat unused water. The node has 6 buttons. The top 2 control the water heater's temperature, the middle 2 controls the light, and the last 2 are for setting the shower timer. Once these settings are configured, the PIR sensor detects when you enter the shower, and only then starts the timer. When your time is up, the water heater automatically turns off, and a buzzer sounds to notify you that it's time to exit the shower. Additionally, this node can play alarms and chimes from other nodes. Now, I'll hand it over to Benjamin to explain our intrusion detection system.
Hi, I'm Benjamin, a team member at MR Labs. Let me introduce you to the final component of the MR Smart Home System, the intrusion detection node. This node uses a read sensor to detect whether the door is open or closed. If the door opens beyond a certain time threshold, an alarm will sound across all the nodes to alert you of a potential intrusion. Additionally, the node has a vibration sensor to detect knocks on the door. If someone knocks, the node will trigger a chime across all the nodes to notify you. Opening the door resets this alert. Like all the other nodes, this node also features a buzzer to play alerts or chimes across any of the other nodes. All information is sent to the web app as well. And that concludes our overview of the MR Smart Home System.
Next, I would like to talk about MR Cloud. It's the centralized web page where you can see, control, and monitor your different nodes in your house. Loading up the web page, you would be greeted with this loading page, which will show you all the nodes that are currently connected or not. Once all nodes are connected, you will be sent to the main page, of which there are 5 different panels. The first of the panels is the energy panel, climate panel, control panel, security panel, and your room panel. In the energy panel, there's a colored orb telling you how well your energy is being used, and also shows your fridge energy usage and light energy usage. Next up is the climate panel. It shows you your temperature and humidity. If the temperature goes over 30 degrees, the fan would turn on. If the humidity goes above 80%, the dehumidifier would turn on. Next up is the control panel. Turning on and off any of the devices will show you exactly what is being turned on and off in your map. In the security tab, you would see the first of the 3 events, the knock event. This is where you can see if you have missed any knocks and how many knocks there are in total. You can also click here to reset all the knock events. Next up is the door events. Over here, you can see if your door is closed or open. Below that, you can see how many times your door have been opened and also the last time when your door was open. Next up is the fire event. This will tell you how many times fire has been detected and the total amount of times it has been detected. Last of all is your 3D room map. It shows if your door is open, how your fridge is doing, how your fan is doing, your lights, and also your humidity. By clicking any of the controls, it will also show what status they are on. You can also click and drag to rotate around the room. And that's all for the Emma Cloud. We hope that all the features of our system will help our users reduce their energy usage at home. I'd also like to share a few glimpses of some of the future improvements we'd like to implement, including a smart toilet with water-saving capabilities, a smart doorbell with live monitoring, water usage tracking, and an AI-driven energy coaching assistant, just to name a few. Our Emma controllers are modular, allowing for easy future upgrades just by swapping out the modules that you do not need anymore, instead of replacing the whole entire board. This design approach not only ensures the longevity of our system, but also contributes to environmental sustainability. Thank you for your time, and I sincerely hope you would support our project.